Hello everyone, welcome to another session on idioms, and today we will learn idioms to describe people. Before starting, I want to make an announcement for all my viewers. If you have any suggest or any request regarding course you want to study or lessons you want to learn, so you can comment down below. Also, if you need any suggestions regarding exam preparation or English learning or books to refer, or you need free study material, then you can mail me at myenglishwagon@gmail.com. So without further ado, let's begin. First up, we have tight-fisted. Tight-fisted means someone who is not willing to spend money, someone who hides his money all the time, who is very frugal and stingy. Then for that person, we use the word tight-fisted. For example, the company's tight-fisted owner won't raise the worker's salary. So a company's owner does not want to spend much on his workers. So that is why we have used tight-fisted for him. Next up, we have two-faced. Two-faced people are generally those who are not honest and very insincere. If you are two-faced, you will definitely lose your credibility. You will not be trustworthy. For example, I don't trust her. I suspect she is a bit two-faced. So people generally don't like two-faced people. Also, you can see in the picture, a man says that I hate two-faced people. It's so hard to decide which face to slap first. So from you can see in the picture only that it's very hard for people to decide because they hate such kind of people. So it's very hard for them to decide which face to slap first. Such a beautiful picture. Next up, we have well off. Well off means someone who is rich, wealthy, or in a good position or situation. You can say that a person is well off if he has something or someone in large number. For example, the city is well off for parks and gardens. So a city has a large number of gardens and parks, then in that case we say that the city is well off for parks and gardens. Next up, we have full of beans. A person who is full of energy and life, who is exuberant, who celebrates life, then such person are generally known as full of beans. For example, we are young and full of beans. Like we are very happy, we are always singing and dancing. As you can see in the picture, they are singing and dancing all the way. So such people are full of beans. Next up, we have henpecked, generally used for husbands who have nagging wives. Also, you can see the meaning of this henpecked idiom, which says to subject one's spouse or partner to persistent nagging and domination. As you can see in the picture also, wife is lying down on the sofa and she's having fun and she's having a great time, and husband is doing all the work. So he's forced to do all the work. So that is why he is a henpecked husband. Next up, we have light-fingered, which means showing adroitness in stealing or a tendency to steal, especially by picking pockets and shoplifting. So people who are generally involved in stealing, who love stealing, or who actually have adroitness in stealing, then those person are known as light-fingered person. For example, light-fingered shoplifters. As you can see in the picture, person is trying to steal the mobile. So this person is light-fingered. It's again a negative word because stealing is a bad habit. Next up, we have long in the tooth, which says getting on in years or getting old. A person or a thing who's getting old, for them we use long in the tooth. For example, aren't I a bit long in the tooth to start being an undergraduate? Like from this example, you can understand the usage of long in the tooth, which means getting old in years or getting on in years. Next up, we have scared stiff. Somebody who gets scared easily is a scared stiff. For example, she was scared stiff of flying. So she was scared of flying. So that is why she's a scared stiff. So I hope you understood. Next and the last one we have is road hog. Simple meaning, which means a driver of an automotive vehicle who obstructs others, especially by occupying part of another's traffic lane. So such person are very irritating, very annoying, because they are very reckless drivers and very remiss, very careless drivers, and they actually obstruct others, especially by occupying part of another's traffic lane. So that's all from my side. These were 10 idioms to describe people. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you really think this video is helpful, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.